Twitch should soon show that I'm live. Wow. Nice. And that's good. I don't need that open anymore. Then I can go turn on streamer mode because I forgot. Do that. And we're live. Nice. Good, good, good. So I've decided to make the rest of the stair stepping interpolation video most likely offline. Or at least another stream. I'm not feeling like doing it right now. Also, I try to fucking hide my desktop capture so I can do my other workspace. Instead, click the mute mic button. Ay, ay, ay. Alright. Yeah, so rotations. Right now, there are some problems. Like if I place this there and then this there, no, this there. I know that some stairs are screwed. And now I don't get any that are screwed. You can see this is part of the problem. It's like inconsistent, but yeah, there we go. This face should not be called, but it is. And I think, and this face should be called, right? But it's not. And this face is. It's so inconsistent. So I just have to redo all my rotation stuff, and I'm gonna have to enable smoothing, stair stepping. I had it disabled for the video. But yeah. I'm gonna have fun doing that. Yeah. This should be denoting I guess relative rotation. I was thinking. There's a thing that I have for actually denoting like rotation in the world. Is enum called facing. Oh, it's face. Like this just tells me which face to render, basically, right? How do we actually do physics rotations? Oh, okay, I do use this. But this is fine as well. So I'm gonna have the... Oh, actually, no, this is raycasting stuff. What am I talking about? Yeah, this is raycasting stuff. This is not the thing that I was looking for. Yep, yep, yep. Anyway. Two colliders. We have... Yeah, so we do still use this. But we just need the numbers to be correct, I guess. Well, this is all correct. So maybe the problem is not where I think it is. So let's go here and let's see how do we cooling. What do we do here? Cooling. Where do we decide which face to render? This is part of the bend mesh function. Skip over you. Yeah. There we go. And here we decide if we place a face or not. So this code is incorrect. I might not have to redo all rotations. I just need to redo this Boolean thing, right? And that is screwed up right now, yep. I was thinking, I was almost onto something here. Maybe. Actually, no, that's garbage. Remove this function call. What happens now? It should be worse. What do I see a theme here? Am I imagining things? Or are these different colors? Okay, I was imagining a theme. Okay, good. Good to know. Also, if this starts working for some reason, I have no idea what to believe. We should maybe had a setup for a cooling thing that doesn't work. Are you actually gonna tell me that this works now? There's no way. This is the whole premise of the stream, XD. No, I'll just do something else. But really? You just work now? Hello? Where's my incorrect coin? No. I feel like the code has defeated me. Okay, let's be more systematic about this. First of all, we already have the trunk edges. There's a trunk edge here, so we're not gonna get any cooling here, but all this area here is like safe. Okay. Bang, bang. No cooling. That's good. Bam, bam. No incorrect cooling, and this face is cold. That's good. Nothing there. Okay. All these interactions are fine. This interaction is fine. Well, alright. Rotations are easy. I just accidentally fucking fixed everything. Apparently. Wow. Alright. I'll time to commit. And change the title of the stream, I guess. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, this is wrong repo. Ay, ay, ay. Also, yeah, so last time when I was streaming, I was working on the video, and I realized that, you know, this isn't jerk. This is just acceleration. It was funny. I don't know what I was thinking when I named that. It was really easy to fool myself later on that I'm actually measuring jerk when I'm actually just measuring acceleration. So that was funny. That was funny to figure out. Actually, this commit message is perfect. So, and now when I do make the video, it's gonna be a bit more accurate. Since I'm not gonna talk about jerk when I'm just talking about acceleration. And just as a little recap for myself on like what to say, this problem is that we're moving too much in too little a time. Yeah, camera does rapid movement and rapidly stops. Yep, something like that. But I don't know. I decided that it makes for a pretty boring stream if I just try to record something over and over and over again. That's peak off-stream activity. Alright. We don't want that. Also, we want to do cargo format. Let me actually redo the selections just to make sure. Actually, I did it like this. Yep. We don't want you. We do want you because you are correct apparently. We don't want you. Anyway, that's good. Wow, that was like a big thing in my head that I have to figure out and fix. And it just disappeared. Anyway, let me update the stream title. Alright, that's good. What do I do now? Let me consult my to-do list. Also, this is why it's good to have a to-do list. Okay. PS3. I so far down. Previous. Dude, the search is ass. I just typed something that I usually type before all my to-dos. And then, I don't know where it's like jumping me. Like somewhere. Okay, so one to-do I see, it's like lights. That's possible. Now I get the feeling that I should maybe have a separate file for Build Sprint 3, so I don't have to like search through all of my brain dump. Okay, block selection, rotate normals, that's done. Rotate colliders, that's done. Horizontal rotations, that's done. Vertical rotations being 90 degree increments, that's interesting. I could maybe do that, but I'm not gonna. That sounds like a pain. Um, block selection though, that's something. Yeah. So there's like two paths that I can take. There's lighting, and then there's block selection. Basically. Oh, and also stair connections. Actually, I kind of want to do the stair connections first. The question is, how do I do that? Because I've been thinking, like, do I do it on the Rust side or do I do it on the GGScript side? And if I do it on the Rust side, like, where here do I do it? Probably actually on set block. Yeah. Yeah, so we have a set block. And we just put the additional logic here. Wow. At least I think so. Hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. I could include like a Boolean thing where it's like, oh, do block updates, right? Like, do we do block updates with this? So if you want to display something and you don't want it to affect the things around, then that would be possible. I think there's some value to that, maybe, but that can be done later. That's like an easy thing to do later. Hmm. Yeah. I was thinking is we do register materials and stuff through Godot. I don't think I need to tell the Rust side like what is a stair and what isn't. I can just make an assumption where um like certain IDs are stairs, right? Like they just are there. And yeah. The only problem with that is, oh, if I make this tool public, then people will have to comply with my technical decisions and assumptions. And yeah, let them suffer. So it's easier for me. I don't want to over-engineer this, right? If I yeah, because it's like I'm gonna be making assumptions somewhere to make the coding easier. And this is a very good place to make some assumptions. If I didn't do this, what do I do? If I can have some format for deciding when I place a block, like what it's gonna look for around it, and then what to place instead. That sounds like a pain. I would be writing like a big abstraction layer instead of code. Would it be that bad though? Because really all it is like auto tiling stuff, I guess. Where let me see. Like if you have this and this, you just need some pattern where a stair like this becomes a corner stair, right? You just need to know that. And in the patterns, you can make rotations, relative. You need to know that this is this, but then you get to like edge cases where this shouldn't be that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna first write the code. If I can like generalize it into like some patterns and make it abstracted, then yeah, sure. But for now, no. Block motor. Here we have our meshes. Oh, inconsistent naming. I will fix that right now. I hate that. Oh. I uh, I hate. Damn. I wish I need to make like a bug report of that. I really wish that if you're dropping something inside of an array, it wouldn't do the const thing automatically. Yeah. Also, this is a Firefox update, but it takes ages to download. I don't know why, so I chose not to do it for now. But this orange thing is just annoying me. Ay. Okay. I got to put the meshes in here. This is inner. Yep. Front has those. I need to put the colliders in at some point. Obstruction flags, we don't obstruct anything. We obstruct only on the bottom, right? So that's the full face. Actually, no. Also back and left, I think we obstruct. Yeah. Let me get the outer. Any. Yep. Back. Front. Right. Left. Wow. Obstruction flags. We only obstruct the bottom here, I think. Yeah, nothing else is complete. Let me change what we're placing down. It's here. I think this is the model. Yep. Nice. Still don't have colliders. That's incorrect. I guess it's right instead of left. Doesn't make any sense even. Like we should be obstructing. No, we should be obstructing the left, but these are just named incorrectly. Damn it. I'm gonna have to figure out that at some point. And I think this works everywhere. Yeah, seems like it. Yep. I have these now. And let's place down the other stereotype. Nice. Now we just need colliders. So let's see if I can make them in my head instead of using the tool. I have no reason to do that, but I think, and it's just funny, right? That's all. So inner corner stair. I'm gonna cheat and look at the slab. It's gonna tell me everything that I need to know. The minus 512 and everything. Okay. That's there. So this is now the full. Yeah. That's that. And then we want a vertical slab, basically. Can I duplicate this? No, I can't. Anyway. I think the position is going to be the same for all of these, actually. Um, basically going to be like this, and then I just need one more, which has the 512 and X, I think. And let's see it. And it's the other stair that I need to place down. Let's go, let's go. 4. Bam, beam, boom. It's incorrect. Wait, or? Oh no, because the player hitbox is larger than I think. I need to shrink it down a bit. Yeah, it seems to be correct. Nice. Because there's the, like, bottom slab. Then there's, like, the side slab and the other side slab. And this portion is left untouched. Nice. That's good. And now we do colliders for the outer stair. No. Alright. So we did still have the bottom slab, but then we have only just one nub instead of like 3. No, instead of 2 vertical slabs, we just have one nub. So we still start at the same spot. Then we have this. And that should be it for that. See, I didn't mess this up. Yep, it's good. Then we have 5 here. Oh wow. We can stand here, we can stand here, we can step up. Well, that was easy. It's almost like making your own tools that you're comfortable and familiar with can have some positive effects. Yep, seems good. I can also go like on any side of this as this works. Nice, 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 nice. So now we have these, and now we just need the stairs to connect to each other. Now I can commit. Yep. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. And also just making sure I can place these with any material and it will look fine. Now, grass is the worst example. Oh, this already cycles back. I don't have that many materials yet. Oh, dirt. Lol. Also, these could technically cool each other because they cover like their face perfectly. But for now, I'm just doing only cooling where a face is covered fully. Right? That's the only situation where I do it right now. I don't think it's fine. I mean, getting rid of these seams inside of the terrain is going to be way easier and a way bigger in performance impact anyway. I'll do that at some point. Also, I just realized, 2, 3, let's do like 2 here. What about the flip stairs? Are they screwed up? Or did I fix them already? Oh yeah, so the UVs are screwed up on the flip stairs. That's something. Yeah, and also the normals. And also the colliders. Okay, so I want to do stair connecting, but this is more critical. This has to be fixed. So I think I'll get on this next, actually. Where to be the rotation here? Here's the actual correct function. And if block the rotation split y, we do then? We just multiply ay is negative ay. Same for b. I think that does it for collisions. Oh, I need to semicolons. I can rebuild this. Have this, that's normal. And then we start flipping. Flipping and skipping. Yeah, we don't step up on that. You can place this here. You can jump and collide with the corner and everything. Yeah, seems fine. Let me place stairs. No. Slabs, actually. Yep, seems to work. That's cool. Well, colliders were easy. As kind of expected. Wow. Yeah. I guess I'm still suffering with the rotations, but differently than I thought I would be. Also, let me place down some slabs here. Pew, 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 pew. And some others. And also, I should make this flip Y thing happen whenever, like the raycast hits the upper half of a block. Actually, that sounds easy enough. Do I jump to that immediately? Sure, why not? Misclick Firefox, let's go. This is still stinky, that's fine. Okay, so bum. Okay. So we have our raycast pause Y. And I think this is a float. Let me see. What is raycast pause? Yeah, it's floats. I'm gonna do a meme here where I convert it into an i32 so I can just do some stuff to it. I can maybe do this directly to a float, but I don't care. Then we modulo it with block size. Actually, let's see. Can I modulo a float? Or does Rust scream at me? Oh. It's gonna complain about, like, whatever. I only care about that line. Oh. Oh. You can. Can just do that. Well, I guess I'll do it then. So we modulo with that, and then we want to see if it's bigger than this. I don't even need these here. That's the line. Oh yeah, I need a semicolon. Alright. Yeah. Makes sense that we build. Actually, good progress today again. That's good. And this isn't, well, this is still, I guess, stuff that I figured out before. I'm kind of waiting for the moment where I run out of stuff that I've done before. And just be completely helpless. So what the hell? Oh, true. Okay. So this is something that I have encountered before. Okay. That's just, it just looked like I completed a slab and I haven't implemented that yet, so it was spooky. But yeah, so yeah, technically we're hitting the upper part of a block there, but we don't actually want to place an upper slab. We want to place a slab that's facing down. And how do we know that? We actually do need some additional logic here. We only want to do this check if we hit the side of a block. Right? If we hit the top of a block, like here, then we want to always place something facing down. If we hit the, bottom of a block, we want to always place something facing up. Sides, we figure it out with the thing. So I should make no clip be able to place blocks, but that's annoying. Anyway, let's figure it out. So last boss. We kind of want to bookkeep our last block position, I guess. Or can we somehow know where our raycast landed? Oh, this actually... Okay. This becomes a bit more complicated, actually. Because if we have stairs, for example... Yeah. Becomes a bit more complicated, I guess. Or does it? I can't really know from the ray movement alone. I do have to look at the actual surface that we hit to know what we should do. I guess for now, actually, I don't know. I think the code simply is not ready for this yet. Let's gotta wait for later. I thought it would be a quick and easy thing, but I do need the collision normal of the raycast. And to get that, I need to take into account like the block model, right? And da 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 da. I guess I could do that right now. Also, to make the raycasting better right now, go all the way. So I'm gonna be doing either that, or then I'm gonna be doing stair connections, which are both like work. So yeah. It's raycasting time. So this is a really lazy check. And that's a good variable name. Let me put this in here. You say this. This should work the same. I should probably have something that actually rotates to test this with. Yeah, seems fine. And yeah, see here, for example, like I'm looking at that block, but it collides with the stair as if it's a full block. Not good. So we don't have anything here. Then we want to take the actual model. Do we have the models here? We do, right? We do. I guess we could do block positions to colliders. And then just do, like, give it one position. What do you want as an input? Vec or slice? I think it's a vec. Yeah, it's a vec. What do you say if I do this? Will you scream at me? Oh, I'm done. Fine. Wait, why do you want chunks? Oh, true. Here? Yeah. Do you want a vec? Rust moment. Alright, there we go. We have the model now. And what do we do with the model? We want to know if our raycast point hits it. That's nice. Okay. So what do we do? What do we do? We need a function for knowing if a point is within a box. We do that and we give a bool. So I want to check each like coordinate separately, I guess. Okay. Okay. Also, this is gonna be a borrowed thing. I think I can do it like this. So basically take our point and we try to get it to like 0, 0 basically. Like in like relative to the model, right? Or relative to the collider of the model. You have that. And then we want to see if every number is in the range of 0 to our size. Okay, so I need to specify range and then say contains. What is the range? The range is from 0 to self.size I, and then we do contains p to I. I want to do if it doesn't contain. Alright. Has some interruption there, but that's fine. So if our point is not contained, we return false. Else we return true. And then we have a bunch of errors. Like we actually do want to explicitly return. Oh, okay. Oh, and also this is incorrect. I need to do this here. Do I actually need this? I do. I don't understand when I need to like type return and when not. It's a bit confusing, but that's fine. Hopefully this function is correct. We'll see you later, I guess. We hit something. Okay. So and raycast, our raycast position is going to be a F32 mess. It's fine. Y and then Z. What do you mean? Oh yeah, you want this. Okay, that's good. Format. The only thing I don't like when I do cargo format, the fucking editor just decides like, we're here. Like, bro. Stop. So, if we have the point, also cargo check. Did I already do that? I did. And didn't complain. That's good. Can I just do through here? So I don't think I would return it there. What do you mean? Oh, breakthrough. Okay. That's interesting. Can only break the value inside loop or breakable block. What? Can't break with a value in a for loop. Why not? Well, this will now do nothing, so I need a thing to keep track of this. Why can't you find this? Oh yeah, it needs to be before that. Oh yeah, and it needs to be mutable. Alright, there we go. Cargo build. Let's see. Doesn't work. Well, let's see how terrible the performance is. What? Okay, it doesn't really work. Yeah. I wonder where the problem actually is. What is happening here? This is I think it might be the pass point function. I'm thinking that's probably the problem. Let me think about this. So if we have some rectangle and we have some point, right? And then let's say this is the origin. I need to work better. There you go. Let's say this is the origin, right? So we're taking this position, this corner, and we are subtracting that from this guy's position, right? So it would be like this movement, and then this movement, this movement. We're putting it here. And then we're seeing if from 0, this distance, it's like here maybe. We're seeing like if this contains it, and then we're seeing if this range contains it. And for this point, we're kind of far off. Well, you know, we are outside. Let's put the point inside. Put the origin here. Again, we take this position. This is gonna be this is very precise maths, guys. So our point ends up here. And then we have our distance, which is like this. We go from here. I mean, it seems like it should work. And we have this distance from here. Yeah, and both of these contain this point. X minus self x, y minus self y, z minus self z. We take from 0. Negatives? Is it screwed with negatives? I guess that could be a thing, right? Yeah, that could be a thing. The range stuff could be incorrect with negative numbers. Actually, let me think. So let's say we have a point that's like at -5, -5. Then we have a square that's at like -10, -10. Okay, so we can actually, I think this is better to draw. Have the origin here. This would be the positive side, this is the negative side. We have a point here. We can say this is 5, 5, and this is like the square. Let's say the size is like 7. I think like 7 would go around here. So now we have, yeah. Well, we are subtracting a negative number from a negative number, so do we end up adding? So that's good. So we have like -5, you know, minus 10, which is going to be 5. Right? So we end up somewhere here. Should be good. And then, you know, if our size is 7, then it should be good. Huh. This is gonna print a lot. That's fine. Oh. Yeah, I want to do these. I got too much print. Wait. Am I dumb? No, I'm not. Yeah. I was thinking I used like the the blocks collider they were placing down instead of what's in the terrain, but that's not the case. I think what we get from here are the colliders should be in entity coordinates, right? Yeah. Yeah, they are. Oof. I feel like I might have to make some debug visualizations for this if I don't figure this out. You said we want to print in the other case as well. So we not only print there, we just print all the time. Let's print even more. Hopefully it's not too much. Oh, is this too much? Let me do... Let me do another. Where do we even go? But nowhere. Okay. Interesting. What about here? I need to like clear the outputs between these. Well, that makes sense. Oh, it's like the first one that it thought like it just worked. And all these are within the size. That's good. And here it doesn't make sense. Is it actually just negative numbers that do this? Let's see. So somehow the point was outside of the box. 2 axes actually. And you can see it there. Hmm. I was gonna guess. I'm gonna guess. This is probably not it, but I was gonna guess. And soon I'm gonna have to leave for some outside chores anyway. I might want to eat a bit before them. So, we'll see. I don't think this is gonna work at all. Yeah, no. But it is more consistent. It's way more consistent. Well, I mean, there it didn't hit. And there as well doesn't want to hit. Might have been just too far away, I guess. Always. Okay, it doesn't always go into the wall. Alright. Why doesn't this work? Well, I think I'm just gonna write a more. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. Do that. We don't need P2 for now. And now we simply say if P2, no, if P I, we want this to be, okay, so if this is smaller than our position, then it's outside. Right? Or if Pi is bigger than, and I guess I can just do, also this is supposed to be I, not Y. Wow. Don't need to do this either. Let's check it. I'm hopeful. And it doesn't work. Why? Is it just because of the floating point inaccuracy? Is that actually the reason? Well, why would these go through the ground completely then? Sometimes? Maybe we'll just take floats directly. Oh, we can't compare these? Bruh. Yep. So 631. Okay, that builds. That's good. Then we check. And it's still garbage. Ay, ay, ay. Why? Alright. I'll do something dirty. It's fine. So we're gonna have this. We're gonna comment that out for now. What do we test it down here? Yeah, we just do this. That's fair enough. I love finding the position where I just was in code. Oh, here we are. Hello, Espresso 60. What am I doing? I'm trying to figure out raycasting. What do you mean they make a feature for that? Oh. Does it actually do anything? Doesn't seem to. Right click doesn't do anything. Sadly. This is just said, so the default editor of Linux Mint. But I don't lose much like efficiency, like searching for the place. It's just annoying sometimes. Actually, is this correct now? So this means that we do intersect. Yeah. Okay. Let me check. I don't know. I know that if you like, was it like shift click? Yeah, if you shift click, you can place a bookmark. I know that. But anyway, let me see if my code works. Probably not. Yeah, still fat chance. But I can raycast through this. It's just, oh, sometimes the raycast just wants to go into the ground. Also, hello, Nikki. What if I make this collider bigger? Will that fix my issues? Let's see. Nope. Did it make them worse? I don't know. I mean, I'm just gonna inflate this collider. Let's see what happens. Hello, hello. It really likes to go on the ground now. Okay. Okay. So I need to make some debug visuals or something because I have no idea what the raycast is actually doing. Zero idea. Ay, 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 ay. But it's basically the same exact behavior as I have with this. So that's kind of telling me that this has point function is not the reason why this is not working. It's kind of the same behavior. You know, sometimes the ray just misses, sometimes it goes in the ground, sometimes it goes on top of the ground. I know, that's all fun. So much fun. So much fun. No, I'm just gonna do this. And you know, oh wow, raycasting is working. But if I try to raycast through this gap, bam, doesn't work. That's the issue that I was trying to fix. Mm-mm-mm. What is the issue? Oh, I see some stinkiness right here. This means that we're discarding the... Okay, let me... If this fixes it, I'm done. Also would mean that I should probably also round here. But we'll test the code first. And we get absolutely nothing. But I hope you're doing better than me. Welcome to suffering. Yeah, because if you don't have good debug visuals, then you suffer. That's how the world works. True. We're still here because I haven't taken the time to make debug visuals. That's the reason. That's the reason, dude. Like, I'm telling you, if you just take the time, if you take like 1 or 2 days to make good debug visualizations, all your problems will just disappear 10 times faster. But I'm still not doing it for some reason. Every time I do it, I realize that it's true, and then I never do it. Yeah, I know. I know the reference. Well, you know that it's like a meme, but I actually haven't like played the game that has that reference. Why is it worse now? Oh, let's do it here. And welcome to programming. This is what it's like. You just guess until it works. Trust me. I get the same incorrect behavior as before. Yeah. Do we do rounding anywhere? We don't, actually. Wait, what's flooring? No. Oh, it's just that. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, so what I want to do is just have debug visuals, and that's it. That's gonna be the answer to all my problems, basically. Um, and what am I gonna have in the debug visuals? I'm gonna have positions. So when I cast the ray, it's gonna like have a little floating Godot icon for every single spot that it checks for a block. And then I'm gonna draw every collider. Right? And then I can hopefully see what's going on. Or then I just continue guessing. Well, the debug visuals are gonna be for next time. I do have to hop out soon. Yeah, I mean, I like 11. We have some like outside chores stuff. I don't understand. Why don't you work? It's so close to working as well. It's the most annoying not working. Almost working. No, I mean 11 as in 15 minutes. XD. Well, I mean, you can see my local time right here. Or should I start specifying in Unix time? Let's go. Okay. Phrase audio. Crazy idea. Alright, what if we just do this? For no reason. This is just an uneducated guess. Next thing. No basis whatsoever to do this. We do have to restart the game. The recompiling requires restarting. Oh wait, no, but I'm not using the alt check. I'm using the alt check. False alarm, false alarm. I'm using the alt check, which doesn't let me go through these. Let's use the new check. Recompile. And we go here. And it still works. You have no idea the dopamine hit that I'm getting now. Holy shit. Holy shit. It just works. It works. I can cast the race through these. It just works. Dude, who the fuck needs debug visualizations when you just realize you have mega brain and you just realize, oh, let me just add half a block to this for no conceivable reason. Holy shit. Oof. Nice. Okay. And I can do this. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do this yet. I can remove this. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. You do not the dopamine hit? That's fair. But that was a big one, I can tell you that. Like, the moment the ray goes through this and hits there, that's like, ooh, that hits nice. That hits nice. Ay, ay, ay. Anyway. That's good. But now we do want to know the normal of the surface that we hit. And that's gonna be for next time. To do, figure out normal of surface we hit. To know. Crucial, put XDs in your comments. It makes your code way more enjoyable to work with, trust me. Format this. No, I'm gonna have D there, that's fine. Fair enough. We haven't... At some points I have like XD or something. There's... I don't have much like lemmas or lols. It's more like in my general notes. I just have... Sometimes, you know, the world just calls for XD, and I will do it. I'll provide the world with that. I should probably also test these other models real fast. Just to make sure I'm not having a huge skill issue. We have this here. We can cast through. I'm more interested about this. Through. Yeah. Yeah. And this is why we also want to figure out the normals and like cast the block placement. Because right now if I cast inside of a block, then I can change what the block is. And that's kind of unintended. But it is working like exactly how it should be. You know, the computer is doing what I tell it to. Of course, it always does that, but yeah, anyway. Nice. Oh, I just realized. I need to amend this commit. Now we force push. Yep. I'm the only one working on this project, so it's fine. But remember, if you work with other people, force pushing, oof. Maybe not. Okay, let's go to the has point function. I'm gonna clean this up a bit. Move those. I have other ugly comments here. I don't think so. Yeah, that's fine. Select everything. Don't want this comment, we don't want this comment. Actually, I want this to be a separate comment. This. Boom, boom. We don't need this. We don't need this. Make raycasting more precise. What else do we have here? I don't need anything here. I should probably clean these changes up so I don't miss anything crucial in the future, but that's gonna be for next time TM. Yep. Yep. Don't need this. Don't need this. Don't need these. Nice. No comment on the torture or death stuff. No comment. But anyway, that's good. That's done. Later today, I'll probably work on the stair smoothing video, but I'll probably do that offline. What do I even have next? Oh, stair connections could be next. And also figuring out if the block should be flipped or not based on the surface of the fucking collider that we hit XD. Nice! Let's raid someone. Twitch loads. That's good. We're gonna go here. I'm always switching up if I go to, because why not? I'm not gonna steal his content. We're just gonna chance raid and go. There we go. Yeah. Fun stream. Yeah, see you later. I might be live later today or not, but I'm live every day. At least so far for some time. XD. Have fun. See ya. Wow.